subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Health benefits of chicken. Number 1. Promotes heart health. Chicken, being enriched in vitamin B6, plays an important role in preventing heart attack. Vitamin B6 helps by lowering the levels of homocysteine, one of the key components linked to an increased risk of heart attack. Besides, chicken is also a good source of niacin that helps lower cholesterol, a risk factor of heart disease development. The American Heart Association also recommends consumption of chicken over red meat since it contains less amount of saturated fats and is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids that exhibits beneficial cardiovascular effects. Number 2. Preventive measure against cognitive decline. Chicken is known to contain vitamin B3 or niacin in high quantity, which is good for the cognitive system. Deficiency of niacin is known to cause genetic damage. Thus, consumption of chicken could help in preventing weakening of DNA or genes due to the same, as well as decline of the cognitive system due to aging. In fact, it also helps keeping diseases like Alzheimer's at bay. Number 3. Important source of vitamins and minerals. Chicken is not only a good source of protein, but is also very rich in vitamins and minerals. For example, B vitamin in it are useful in preventing cataract and skin disorders, boosting immunity, eliminating weakness, regulating digestion, and improving the nervous system. They are also helpful in preventing migraine, heart disorders, grey hair, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Vitamin D in chicken helps in calcium absorption and bone strengthening. Vitamin A helps in building eyesight, and minerals such as iron are helpful in hemoglobin formation, muscle activity, and eliminating anemia. Potassium and sodium are electrolytes. Phosphorus is helpful in tackling weakness, bone health, brain function, dental care, and metabolic issues. Number 4. Boosts the growth of children. Chicken is one of the finest food in giving a boost to the growth of the children. It's highly rich with amino acids which helps the children in growing taller and stronger. For the kids, chicken plays an important part in their growth. Number 5. Helps with stress. If you struggle with stress, a diet with more chicken may help. Chicken has two key nutrients that are known to assist in reducing stress. These are tryptophan and vitamin B5. When consumed, these nutrients have a type of calming effect which can help calm you down after particularly stressful days. And if you personally love the taste of chicken, then this helps as well. When you enjoy what you are eating, it's actually stress releasing. This is applicable to any type of food that you personally enjoy the flavors of. Number 6. High in lean protein. Chicken is one of the highest protein suppliers, and not just any protein. It's full of lean proteins which are highest quality proteins and are extremely important for our body growth. These low-fat proteins also play an important role in assisting overweight people in losing weight quickly. As protein are also known as the building blocks of muscle, chicken is also a great source if you are looking for muscle buildup. Number 7. Support the healthy tissue growth. Many people of us have to face the problems of chapped lips, cracked mouth, sore tongue, or dry skin in the winter. However, if you eat chicken or chicken liver, these issues will be substantially reduced. That is because of chicken and chicken liver contains riboflavin, a type of vitamin B2, which can work to repel dry skin and repair damaged tissues in the body. This is actually one of the most well-known and best nutritional benefits of chicken that everyone should know and make use of to improve skin condition without using expensive cosmetics and harmful drugs or pills. Number 8. Weight loss. Chicken are rich with protein. We know that when we have diet rich with proteins, then we can lose our weight. You should consume chicken meat if you want to lose your weight. People who are eating chicken at regular base have noticed control in their weight. Number 9. Good eyesight. Retinol, alpha and beta carotene, including lycopene, which are rich source of vitamin A, are abundantly present in chicken. We all know how important vitamin A is for good eyesight. Hence, one of the health benefits of eating chicken is that it ensures good eyesight. Number 10. Help prevent cancer. Along with niacin, chicken is also rich in selenium, another antioxidant-rich nutrient. Selenium in chicken has been shown to induce DNA repair in damaged cells and eliminating abnormal cells. This nutrient also activates an important antioxidant vital in cancer prevention known as glutathione peroxidase from proteins. Consuming chicken may help in prevention of cancers. Thank you for watching.